2004 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited here at Unique Specialty and Classics. So the little bit longer version in the Wrangler platform. 4-liter, inline 6 underneath the hood, tried and true, reliable power plant. Automatic with overdrive transmission. 4x4, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, custom front bumper and push bar in this one with 13,000 pound winch on it. And it does have the braided line, it's not the cable. A very nice option. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see those at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on Goodyear Wrangler radials, correct Jeep wheels. You can see there's a little bit of corrosion up here on the bottom side of the hood. A couple little dingers on each side there also. Otherwise, silver paint has a decent shine to it. There's just a few, like I said, just kind of little spots where a few dings here and there. Maybe a little bit of paint missing. Technician did note there was a crack on the passenger side. There it is, the windshield. Give you a heads up on that. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. It does come with a removable hardtop. $159,334 miles. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Rear mounted spare, full size, some tow hooks on the rear of it, as well as a receiver. Need to pull anything. A couple notes from the technicians on this one, or the technician that looked at it on this one. Checked out well in the back, said it drove out nicely. Brakes were 55% in the front, 70% in the rear. Full exhaust with cats. If you like Jeeps, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right up our showroom floor. Nerf bars for an assisted step getting into these. Manual windows, door panels look good. Graphite interior with the silver exterior. Bucket seats. There's a sound bar as well in this one. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Show you the exact miles here. There is a remote control for the winch here, by the way, in and out. And there's your exact miles, 159,334. No check engine light, service engine soon light, anything like that. Gauge cluster is working. AM, FM, CD player. AC, again, AC blows cold. Dash looks good. Door closes nicely. I guess let's take a listen. Sounds like a stock 4-liter. Let me slip up to the front. We'll get this hood open. At least show you the engine bay, and then stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take this for a drive too, so how it goes down the road. Give me a second. We'll check out that engine bay. All right, so hood pop. There, you get a good look at the underside of the hood. And engine bay. Once again, power steering, power brakes, AC's cold, 4-liter, inline 6. A lot of torque and very reliable. (2004) Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract consult with your sales associate when you call it or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2004 Jeep Wrangler in silver. Black interior. This is an automatic on the center console down by the floor. Four-wheel drive, of course, or two-wheel drive, your choice. Sounds stock for the most part. Our battery gauge is working, showing 14 volts. Fuel tank showing a little over 3/4 of a tank. Tachometer and speedometer also working. Oil pressure a little over halfway on the gauge, and the temperature around 200. Radio is working as it should. I've not tested CD, but FM is working. The AC blows cold in this Jeep. We do have a crack in the windshield. Really feels like a Jeep on the road. You definitely can feel the road as you do with most Jeeps, but it's comfortable. Cloth bucket seats. The hardtop is attached. It does look like that would be removable. And we've got the roll cage, so you can drive with the top off. Brakes are nice and smooth. Very good power steering, easy to steer in the corners. And the transmission does kick down the way it should for an automatic transmission. Driving nicely, this 2004 Jeep Wrangler. Good for on the road, good for off the road. Have some fun with it. Check out all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.